everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Nikita Sharma and in previous classes we analyzed some sentences and got a little recap of grammar topics, and I had also given you a sentence as a homework. Firstly, we will clear and analyze that same sentence which I had given you in the homework, and the sentence is, punctuate the sentence. The bride is looking very beautiful in her wedding outfit. In our previous class, I had given you this same sentence. Now I am analyzing this sentence. So firstly, the bride. The is always defines a important thing or an important person or derives a greatest personality. So it is a definite article. So we will call this as an article. And which article this as a definite article, okay? And the bride is a common noun because it is not addressing which bride. So we are using it as a common noun because it is also a helping verb because it is supports also a helping verb and it is supports a main verb. And the next is looking. Here I will tell you that look is a verb, yeah, but plus ing we are using, it is continuous because whenever we are discussing in the sentence ing, it will derived as a continuous tense, and when we are using is in the sentence, it's always a present continuous tense because the structure is that subject is mr plus verb ki first form and ing. We are using look as a first form, ing present continuous, so we are using it ing, and with that we are using helping verb is. So like this, verb plus ing we are using. So ing here we will differentiate by or derived by this imposter verb. Now whenever you will see or solve the sentences, whenever it comes with ing, the verb comes with ing, you have to use imposter verb or you have to derive it by imposter verb because in this ing we are just call them by imposter verbs, okay? Again, very is a adverb because adverb always modifies a verb or an adjective which gives us a better meaning or derived it very clearly. Here beautiful is described for the bride that she is beautiful, okay? और उसकी खूबसूरत या उसकी सुंदरता को डिस्क्राइब कर रहा है ना वेरी, कि वो बहुत ज्यादा खूबसूरत है ना? तो जब बहुत ज्यादा की बात होगी तब हम लोग वेरी का यूज करेंगे whenever it will work as a बहुत, okay? It becomes बहुत, we will use very is defining as a adverb here, okay? Adverb की तरह ये use हो रहा है. And for an example, if I am telling about you adverb, there are many words like fastly, slowly, quietly, never, outside, okay, before, after. These all are adverbs which are describing something. Whenever something is describing what was happening, it always asks questions also that how, when, where, in only adverbs, okay? Again, beautiful. Now the word is beautiful which derives as a adjective because very comes with an adjective because adverb comes to modify the adjective, okay? So here beautiful is a describing word which we are using it is an adjective, okay? Then again we are coming to next, that is in is a preposition where the direction or a place is identified in the sentence. Where it is inside, yes. So इन हर आउटफिट, ओके, इन हर, उसकी ड्रेस में वो अच्छी लग रही है, किसकी ड्रेस में अच्छी लग रही है, उसकी ड्रेस में. हियर द पोजीशन, द डायरेक्शन, द डिस्टेंस एंड द where she is, it's depicts by the preposition. Okay, that's the position we are defining here. Okay, again her, it's a pronoun. Okay, because pronouns are I, we, me, you, he, her, him, his. These all are pronouns where we will use it on the place of noun. Okay, so in her outfit, her is a feminine word which is depicts for only a feminisms, feminine genders. Okay, wedding, here wedding also is an abstract noun, or we can also, second thing I will clear you that some verbs are like marry, die, free, okay, speak, which will transfer into sorry, which will transfer into an abstract noun by marriage, death, freedom, speech, and now know means knowledge. Okay, so these are the abstract nouns, so it's also called an abstract noun. So next is outfit, and outfit is a proper noun because we are discussing about the proper noun. Whenever it's a school uniform, whatever your outfit is, that office outfit or school outfit or a party outfit, it will always describe as a proper noun. But here we are giving a bride outfit, so it's also called a proper noun. And but in the same sentences and in the same category, we can also use as a common noun. Okay, so first sentence we had described or analyzed that there are many of things we are getting in that. Okay, like I am talking about the article, which is gonna be a definite article where we are describing something. Here the bride is important, and a simple thing where we are using the. Okay, is a helping verb which can support as a main verb, and looking, which is look means work, and ing means impostor verb, and when we are using this two in the same sentences, it will be a present continuous tense. Okay, very is a adverb which is describe and modify the adjective or a word, that what is going on, how much. Okay, she's how much beautiful, she is very beautiful, like this. Again we are going to next, that is beautiful, which describes a adjective, what's the quality in her, that is beautiful. Okay, again in is a preposition where you are using the position. Okay, then her is a feminine gender, so we are using with her to show as a pronoun or a possessive pronoun. So you can also say that also possessive pronouns. Again we are coming to the next, that is wedding, and wedding is a abstract noun which showing the noun, what is going on, the feeling that showing. And again outfit is also a common noun and a proper noun which giving you a definite purpose, like this outfit and that outfit. But here she is giving as a bride outfit, so you can also say that a proper noun, or if you are not getting that point, you can also say a common noun, but at a moment you can say it as a proper noun. So we have next sentence is, a girl whose name is Angel is the youngest student in the class. And now we are depicting the sentence or analyzing the sentence again. So A is a article. Which article is this? It is an indefinite article, and indefinite articles are to, A and N are indefinite articles. Yeah. Now A is used with vowels, A is used with consonants. Okay, the girl, a girl is used as a common noun because we, okay, it is a common noun. Whose, here whose playing two roles, like here it is using as a इंटरोगेटिव क्वेश्चन, ठीक है। इंटरोगेटिव प्रोनाउंस में भी हु यूज होता है, और हियर ये रिलेट कर रहा है गर्ल के नेम को, ठीक है। तो यहाँ पर इसको एज अ रिलेटिव प्रोनाउन भी हम यूज करेंगे। We can also say that it is a relative pronoun because it's showing the relation between two things. Okay, so we are using it as a whose as a relative pronoun. Name. Name is also a proper noun where you are using it for the name. Okay, so it also called a proper noun. Now, is helping verb. Angel. Angel means a particular person's name was describing in the sentence. You will use proper noun. Okay. Again, is that is helping verb. The where to show the degrees or comparisons about, and that place we will use definite article which is the. And the youngest means सबसे बड़ी. Okay, so here we are using superlative degree. We are using superlative degree. Now, what is the degree? Positive degree of youngest, that is young. Okay, and what is the comparative degree? That is younger. It means young, younger, and youngest. It means last youngest is a superlative degree which is we are using in the sentence is superlative degree, and the chapter is degrees of comparisons where the things, yeah, where the comparison between two things or three things are using, that in that place we are use comparison of degree, yeah, degree of comparison. Okay, again the student, we don't know the student who is he, okay, or who is she, so we are using as a common noun, या फिर आप बोल सकते हो we are depicting as a common noun. Now here in is a preposition, the which is called as a definite article, the is a article, okay, and the class is a collective noun. Here, I also give you a more about the sentence, how we can correlate with the sentence or analyze the sentence, so you can easily concentrate on the sentences, whether they are hard or whether they are easy. Even you can also frame the sentences and according to this, and you can manage some other's name, or you can use other things, you can use this at other places and differentiate that sentences. You can get a lot of help from this. So you can make sentences, take them from this. You can like use here a girl, you can use a boy, okay, you can use whose name is Rahul, okay, is the youngest student in the class. Now you can also differentiate. Boy is a common noun, boy is you can use boy, we can use masculine noun with a gender, that is him. But for girls you can just her, but for the boys you can use two things, that is or him. Like this you can differentiate, you can change the name. Now you can know that whenever the name is come in the sentence, you have to use the proper noun. Okay, so that is the point which I am discussing you with, that if you want to solve the sentence, if you want to speak English, if you want to get the point what I am saying to you in the class, you have to practice them. Firstly, you have to practice them for 1 to 5 days. In our classes, I only give you the differentiation of sentence. I am giving you the same sentences to differentiate because it will help you to grow your mind. But after some time, I will give you a sentence and I will give you some examples to differentiate it, to make the sentences, to place them, and you will want to replace the sentences by common noun, by proper noun. You can use adverbs on the after the noun. This will help you to grow, but you have to practice them first so you can get an help. How could you solve the sentences or analyze the sentences? So firstly, you have to do this only again, and if you don't getting any point, if you don't getting anything, you just comment me. I will clear it in other. And keep staying with me like this only and explore new things from this channel. And thank you.